Hi, we're the Prestons from Natural Heritage Homestead. My name's Cassandra.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Wyatt. I'm Everett. I'm Edith.
We raise grass-fed and finished beef and lamb using regenerative farming practices like permaculture and holistic management. We first learned about permaculture about 8 years ago and started using it a little bit. So when we moved to our farm about 5 years ago, we knew that we wanted to design it as a permaculture farm. That was around the same time that we met Takota and went on one of his farm tours. After seeing his farm and what permaculture design was capable of doing, we knew that we were on the right track, and we are just so thankful for all of Takota's mentorship and help along the way over the last few years. And I was lucky enough to take a permaculture design course this past fall with Takota and Rob Avis from Verge Permaculture. And after that, it's really helped us with our plans going forward. We moved here 5 years ago. This was a bare piece of land, so we've been working really hard at implementing different things along the way to bring back the grasslands and the wetlands into the abundant ecosystems that they used to be. But until taking this course and having an actual design and goal going forwards, it's just kind of been doing this and that. So that has really helped us, and I think it'll be a lot easier on our journey here. If anyone would like to see how we got started on this journey or follow along with us, or is just interested in purchasing some regeneratively raised grass-fed and finished beef or lamb, you can check out our website at naturalheritagehomestead.ca.
Also, if you want to follow us on YouTube, we have a link to our channel on our website as well.
Hi, we're the Prestons with Natural Heritage. Am I saying with or from?
Talk louder too.
Hi, we're the Prestons from Natural...
Not quite so loud. Just like an in-between.
Talk right a little bit louder than I
Okay, right in between. Okay. Smile.
Stop laughing.
Okay. If anybody would like to follow us along... No. Okay, look at it again. Or just wants to purchase some regeneratively raised grass-fed and finished beef or pork, you can check out our website at Natural Heritage. What?
We don't have beef.
Oh, yeah. Okay, everybody stop again. Well, maybe we do have pork, we don't know. Okay, quit
Just
laughing.
a second, now my eyes water. Pork.
We have beef and lamb.
Alright.
Also, if you'd like to follow us on YouTube, we have a link to our YouTube channel on the website as well.
We've been to snack time at his house.
Thank you. Or bye-bye. Wave.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.